So, welcome to another edition of the trading section on Binance. And in this trading section, we'll be talking about how to place trade with the stop limit order. Okay, so we had discussed about the limit order. We had discussed about the limits order. We had discussed about the market order, and here we are on to discussing about the stop limit order. So, for the stop limit order, all you need to do is you just come over here and you click on the stop limit order. Now, what is a stop limit order? A stop limit order is actually an order that has two orders. Okay, it has a stop price and the limit price. Now, once this stop price has been reached, the limit price is triggered to buy or sell. Now, another name for stop limit order is stop loss. Okay, it is used to this stop limit order is used to protect your investments, to protect your assets from falling down and making you lose in a trade. Okay, let's say to fully understand this stop limit order and how it works, let's create a scenario. Let's say I have 15 beams here, right? I have 15 beam. Okay, let's just say I bought this beam. Let's create a scenario. Okay, let's say I bought this beam when it was 0.42. Okay, 43. Okay, let's say 44. Okay, let's say 0.41. Okay, let's say I bought it 190 naira while it was 0.411. all right, now the price has gone up high to 0.73, which is 340 naira. Okay, you can see I am in profit. Let's say I'm in profit right now, and I feel that this coin, this beam, will actually go up to $2. Okay, I feel the coin will go up to $2 in no time. Please note, I'm not actually saying the coin will go up to $2. I'm actually using that as an illustration, as an example, to illustrate to you. You understand? So I believe that I feel this coin will get to $2. Okay, but I have made profit already. You get? I've made profit already, and I don't want to lose that profit because the market is very volatile. It goes up within a twinkle of an eye. It might decide to retrace, like start coming down again. Okay, now I don't want to be carried on. I don't want to be unaware. Like, I don't want to be carried unexpectedly and I start losing. I'll need to use a stop loss, a stop limit order to protect my investments. That is why we use the stop limit. So at this point, you come over to your stop limit. You come over here and you choose the stop limit. Now, you believe that this price will go high to $2, to let's say $1, $2, $3, $10, or even $100, right? But you want to protect against the markets coming down. Let's say you borrowed money to trade, okay, and you need to return the money. You need to refund this money, so you don't want to have any problem with the person you borrowed the money from. Okay, so what you have to do is, you've already made gains of, let's say you bought it 190. Okay, you've made like 120 naira gain. Let's say you had like 200 of this coin, you know it, or let's say 2,000. That's where you understand that you've made a lot of gain. Now, to protect your profits so that you don't lose out when the coin if the coin start coming down, you come over here, you choose your stop limits, okay, the stop limits order. You come up here, you're holding this coin, but should in case it should start coming down, you say when this coin starts coming down to 0.0, this will be your stop price, okay, where you're telling the market to stop, where you're telling the coin to stop going down against you and try to sell the coin in your favor, to try to sell for you, okay. So you say if this coin comes down by 0.06, okay, I hope you're getting 0.65, it means that you're saying if this coin should come down to 300 naira, it should come over here. When it gets to 300 naira, 0.062, you see, let's say 2 over here, you're willing to sell at, if the price reduces to this price, that is when this order will be sent to the order book. It will be moved over to the order book for you to sell once the price hits 0.065. Once this market price has reduced up to down to 0.65, this order here, this one will be triggered to sell. It will now move this to the order book to sell your coin, so that even if it keeps reducing to 0.04 again, the way you bought it, you've already sold at the top, and that's where you've protected yourself from losing that trade, losing your profits on that trade. Now, the reason why these amounts over here is higher than this is to prevent a slippage. Is to prevent you from, because if you set it like 2 over here, that's how the markets can go down and it will skip this order because it failed to fill. So you want to keep a little space on top here, a little gap between these two orders, okay. The limit order must be lower than your stop price. The limit price must be lower than your stop. The limit price here must be lower than your stop price when you are selling. Have that at the back of your mind, okay. So this has to be a little bit higher than this, all right, because you're selling. Now when this coin has filled up to this extent, it will now come over here and sell for you, and sell. Now you come over here and you choose 100%. So if I go ahead and click on sell, you see it has confirmed. Oh, it is equals to 9. You see what I said? The trade is not going through because I have limited. While I was holding this video, the value had reduced. It was 340, so it has reduced, and I'm having shortage of some dollars here, so I need to double up. Let me go buy. Okay. Still having issues here too. So I'm supposed to make use of